Hey guys, I'm going to be checking out a new band tonight. This one's called Landmarks, I believe, and the song here is Rainfall. We got an official music video here to watch, and I don't know anything about this band, so I'm just super curious to see what they're all about. And yeah, let's just get right into it. What?
Mon genou il s'est déboîté. Oh damn.
Il s'est remis.
One move.
Il s'est remis.
He broke his leg? Oh, he broke his knee.
Oh, fuck.
Dang! He's going back out in a wheelchair. He's not calling it quits. Whoa! Yo, what is this? Dude, this guy is fast. Ooh. Yo, why is this so fast? It's so fast. This is really different. This is really different. It's reminding me a little bit of Attila. Not as like heavy, but just like the fast rapping, screaming kind of style. This is crazy, and the super fast strumming, and they keep flicking the notes. I don't know. It sounds cool. Take a look at my eyes. I don't even pretend you can see my body shaking, so I'm not gonna fake it. No, I'm not gonna fake it. Dude, he can growl too. Woo! Yeah. This is crazy. Dude, this is cool. He can scream. So I'm guessing by what I've heard so far, we're probably not going to get any sort of clean vocals here. But I really just like the style of this song. It's really fast. It's kind of catchy. Like the guitar chords and everything are kind of catchy. Mad props to the guy in the freaking wheelchair still coming out here for a music video. That's crazy. This sounds really cool though. It's definitely something I don't hear every day. It's just an interesting genre, and I'm guessing it's just the pace of the vocalist and how he's singing, growling, screaming, all of that. It's cool. Ooh. Okay. He's good. He's good. Oh, this is cool. This is really cool. Ooh. Whoa, what was that? What was that? Oh, man! My destroyed everything there at the end. I was not expecting it to take a turn like that. They just cranked it up like 10 notches there. That was a that was a banger. Oh, that was Landmarks. The song was Rainfall. I really liked that. It was just different, and I was not expecting it to take as heavy of a turn as it did there at the end. And what the heck was that like gong effect? Or it was like a keg hit or something. It reminded me of something that you would get in Slipknot, just kind of like tossed in there. I really liked that. Ah, dude, this was the guy. I don't even know what to say about the vocalist. Again, it reminds me of a little bit of like Attila, because that's really the only other band I've heard that has this style of super fast, almost rap screaming type stuff, but can also still lay it out there with the screams and the growls too. At the end, my gosh, it just blew up. They were destroying everything. It was freaking crazy. Really awesome song. Just something different that I definitely don't hear every day. Definitely interested to check more out by this band. So if you guys listen to Landmarks, please suggest what I should check out next, because based off of this, pretty freaking cool. And as always, guys, if you're still here, if you're still watching, thank you so much. And I will see you on the next one.